Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this 2D drawing into the 3D model as shown in isometric image with the help of a part design workbench. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user, where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So first I will switch to the part design workbench, and then I create a new file. I create a body and then create a sketch, and here I will use this exit plane. And now we will create our sketch. So first I will select the slot tool, which you can find here, and I will create a slot, then again one more slot, and now we will constrain these two slots. So if I move it, then you can see that it is a symmetric, but it is not constrained, so we will constrain it. I will select the origin point and this point and say the merge, this and say the merge. And now we will give the dimensions. So here if we zoom it, so inner one is a R15, so I will select it and give the radius dimension of a 15, and the outer one is a R34, so I will select the radius and give it a 34. Now I will move the dimension, and center to center distance is a 108, so I will select these two and give the dimension 108, and I will move it to the downside. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now I will come out of the sketch, and from here I will switch to the isometric, and now we will extrude it. Extrusion length is 52, which you can see here. So I will click on the pad and I will give the 52, and I will say OK. Now the next feature is to create this profile. So for this we will select the backside face and create a sketch, and from here I will say to the isometric, and now I will switch to the front view and I will project the geometry, and from here I will switch to the wireframe, and now I will also project this arc and this arc. So first thing which we will do is to create a circle and give it a diameter of a 50. And now I will select a line and I will make it tangent, and I will draw one more line, and I will make it tangent. And this line will be also tangent with this, so make it tangent. And now we will give the dimension. So this is the 76, so I will select these 2 points and give the dimension of 76. And you can see here this center and this center is a vertical, so I will select these 2 points and make it vertical. Now I select this point and this projected arc, make it the coincident relation. Similarly this point and this arc, coincidence relation. Now we will trim the unnecessary geometry, and now I will select the 3-point arc and I will join these 2 points and create one arc. Similarly I will create one arc here, and then I will close the profile. So here is a conflict, so I will delete it. Now let's see what is the unconstrained. I will rotate it. I will select this point and this point, click on merge, then select this point and this point, say merge. So here this is constrained, and now here okay, so here this arc is not fully constrained. So what we will do, we will select this one and this one, make it equal. So our profile is closed. We will come out of the sketch, switch to the flatline views. Now we will see our drawing. So this is the extrusion of distance of 34. So I will select it and click on reverse directions, and I will give it 34. Say OK. Now we will create this cut. So for this I will select this face and create a sketch. Now I will project this arc, so I project this and create a line, and now I will create a 3-point arc, and I create the tangency relation, and same way I will merge these 2 points and create the tangency relation. Now I will project this edge and I will make it tangent, and from here I will switch to the wireframe, and from here I will make it tangent. And now I will also project this outer edge and join with a line, and now I will create a 3-point arc, and I will make it a tangent. I will select the line and I will join this. And here if I zoom it here, so this is the R18, which is sorry, diameter 18, but it is for hole. So this and this will be the equal, so I will create on equal, and this radius is a R15, so select radius and give the 15 mm. So you can see that our profile is closed, and we will switch to the flat lines. Close the sketch and go with the pocket tool, and from here if you see it is 34, it is 22, so it will be 12 mm, so the cut depth will be the 12 mm. Say OK. So here we have made the almost all features except this hole. So for this I will select this face and create a sketch. I will click on project geometry and I will simply create a hole which is of diameter 18. Select it and give the diameter 18. Close it, go with the cut and say it true all and say OK. So we have made all the features as per our 2D drawing. We have successfully converted this 2D views into the 3D model. Now we will give the color. So from here shape color we will give the approximate color as per our model. So let's see which color suit to our model. So this is not that color, but okay. So this is how you can give your desired color by selecting the color from here. So I will select it to the something like this by dragging my color option. So you can see that more or less we have the same color, but one thing you may have observed that here we are seeing the line, but in our model it is not. So you can easily fix these things. All you have to click on the last features, go to the data tab, and from here part design you will see the refine false. All you have to set it true, so you will get the edges like our model. Now we will create a 2D drawing. So first I will save my model. So here I have saved my model. Now we will create a 2D drawing. So to create a 2D drawing we will switch to the Take Draw workbench. So you can see that Take Draw workbench is active. First I will insert the default page, and we will change the template. So you can go here on template section. Let's first place the view, then I will show you how you can change the template. So first I will set to the front view, then click on the body, and then here click on the insert projection group. So here I am going to select the third angle projection page, and I want this top view and right side view, and say OK, and go to the model tab. So you can see that all three views has been placed. Now select on the page, click on the template. So here you will have the template path, which is stored on your C drive locations. All you have to click on three dots, then you will be redirected to the. So here I will select the A4 portrait, say OK. So you can see that my template changed to the portrait. Now go to the page view, and page view here scale is 1. So I will reduce this to the 0.5, which is more than sufficient for this drawing. Now I move my view. Now I will give the dimensions. So here you can see the center marks, and here you can see the center marks, and this small dots which you are seeing is a vertex point. So first we will start from here. So select on the outer radius, and click on the radius. Okay. The arc was not selected, and click on the radius. Some problem in the selection, so I will zoom it and click on the radius. So R34, inner one is a R15, so select it, click on the radius, R15. Now I move it to little bit downside, and this one little bit upper side. Now from this center to whole center is a 76. So I will select this center and this center and click on vertical dimension, which is of 76. This radius is R15, so I will select on the radius and click on the radius icon, which is the R15. Outer one is a R25, so I will select the radius and give R25. The whole dia. So if you are facing a problem in selection, then little bit zoom the drawing and click on the diameter. So here I got 18 diameter. So this is the dimension about front view. Now we will give the dimension for the top view. Select these two vertex points and click on the vertical dimension, or simply select the line. It is 34. This one is a 22. I will move it to the outside, and total one is a 52. And this center to center is shown is 108 in a top view, but it is better to show in a front view. So I will select these two center by pressing the control key, and now I will move it to the outside. So here this side view is not required, because we have covered all our dimensions in front and top view. So I will delete this side view, and we will see if any dimensions which we have missed. So here I think this angle is important, so I will select this line and this line and click on the angular dimensions, which is a 31.23. so we have the precision option, so increase decimal places. If you click on it, and then you will get a two option, increase or decrease. So I will decrease the decimal places, so it is a 31 degree. So you can see that we have covered all the dimensions. Now one thing which we required is a isometric view, so I will move this view to the top, and I will move my top view to the drawing borders inside. And now we require one isometric view, so we will switch to the model tab, we will switch to the isometric, and then we select our body and click on here insert projection in insert view. So you can see that one isometric view has been inserted here. And now we can off the frame, and now we again on the frame. Now the green dot fields which you are seeing on the drawing is editable fields. For example, by clicking on here you can update the author name. For example, I update my name Mechnexus, legal owner name, tolerance, titles, date of manufacturing, material number. For example, part material I can give FE 410 IS 2062. It is a mild steel. Part number I can give anything 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is how you can set the your drawing title block field. And if you click on here insert annotation, so here is a text box, here is a two text box has been inserted. So you can add some text to your drawing, like remove the sharp edges and burrs or any general tolerance which you can specify here. Now I will off the frame, so you can see that how we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model, and how we have created a beautiful drawing in FreeCAD with the help of a TechDraw workbench. So TechDraw workbench is still have the very long journey to compete with professional CAD softwares, or I can say proprietary software like SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. But I'm very positive about the FreeCAD and the TechDraw workbench. There's in upcoming features, the FreeCAD will be the best alternative for the small scale industries, and for those who cannot afford this costly software for their personal projects. So this is all about these tutorials. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel and like my video. I will come with more useful tutorials apart from the part modeling. I will also cover as much as tutorial I can cover on a TechDraw workbench, because modeling a part in a FreeCAD is not enough if it does not have a manufacturing drawing. If you are going to make the part using the 3D printer, that's okay, but if you are not to give your part to the manufacturer, then you must have the manufacturing drawing with all the technical details. So this is all about these tutorials. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.